Welcome New Year, exploring the top 5 iconic US spots to celebrate New Year's Eve. The anticipation of a countdown, the burst of confetti, and the thrill of starting afresh, there's nothing quite like a New Year's Eve celebration. But where you choose to welcome the new year can profoundly shape the experience. Imagine listening to the cascading sounds of a live band in New Orleans, or watching the first snow of the year sparkle under the fireworks in New York City. Every New Year's Eve destination offers a unique vibrancy, a testament to the diversity and splendor of celebrations across the United States. In this exploration, we unveil the top 5 iconic spots in the US where New Year's Eve is not just a celebration but a grand cultural event that attracts people from all corners of the globe. Number 1. Times Square, New York City. The absolute epicenter. New York City's Times Square has arguably become synonymous with New Year's Eve celebrations around the world. Featuring the iconic ball drop, which has taken place almost every year since 1907, this historic event draws over 1 million in-person spectators. The sea of humanity, coupled with an array of star-studded performances and the palpable excitement in the air, creates an electrifying atmosphere that's hard to rival. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, the eyes of millions, both there and at home, are fixed on the glowing Waterford Crystal Times Square New Year's Eve ball. As it descends, cheers erupt along with a soundtrack of Auld Lang Syne, making it a globally shared moment. Post-event, despite the chilling January winds, the energy in Times Square continues. From upscale dinners in nearby restaurants to meticulously planned boat cruises around Manhattan, there's an endless array of options to extend the night's excitement. Number 2, the Las Vegas Strip. Glitz and glam in the desert. The glow-up for New Year's Eve in Las Vegas is something of a spectacle. Each year, the entire Las Vegas Strip is closed to traffic, transforming into a massive street party. Here, neon lights and fireworks paint the desert sky, and the sounds of slot machines and music create a lively soundtrack. Imagine the Strip bustling with revelers, each casino vying to put on the most unforgettable firework displays and hosting some of the world's top entertainers. This is where luxury meets an unabashed party spirit. From stunning performances at prestigious clubs to intimate gatherings in high-end lounges, Las Vegas offers a New Year's Eve of unparalleled hedonism. Not to forget, the culinary experiences here are as extravagant as the celebrations themselves, with world-renowned chefs serving everything from caviar to bespoke cocktails. Navy Pier in Chicago, with its grand Ferris wheel standing sentinel over Lake Michigan, offers a picturesque platform for ringing in the new year. The Pier's annual New Year's Eve bash includes live music, multiple ballrooms of entertainment, and a breathtaking fireworks show that reflects over the icy waters, adding a layer of visual magic to the celebration. The inclusivity of the event, with activities suitable for families, couples, and solo travelers, ensures that everyone can find a way to celebrate. After the festivities, visitors often spill into the streets of Chicago, finding warmth and welcome in the jazz clubs, historic theaters, and late-night diners dotting the cityscape. In this city known for its resilience and architectural marvels, the New Year's Eve celebration at Navy Pier exemplifies Chicago's vibrant community spirit and love for grand, stylish parties. New Year's Eve in New Orleans' French Quarter is an immersive experience steeped in cultural richness. Known for its spontaneous street performances and live jazz music, the French Quarter combines historic charm with contemporary festivity. As midnight approaches, the loud countdown at Jackson Square culminates in fireworks over the Mississippi River, while local brass bands lead impromptu parades through the thronged streets, heralding the new year with vibrant tunes and festive cheer. The celebration then continues with night-long parties at local bars and clubs, where the music doesn't stop until the early hours of the morning. Each venue offers a taste of local flavors, both through their food and their eclectic mix of music and entertainment. Lastly, San Francisco's Embarcadero is the quintessential place to enjoy a more laid-back yet visually stunning New Year's Eve. The area offers a panoramic view of the Bay Bridge and Treasure Island, making it an ideal backdrop for the city's impressive fireworks display. With San Francisco's emphasis on inclusivity and diversity, The celebrations here cater to all, from families enjoying the carnival atmosphere to couples soaking in the romantic setting. Post-fireworks, the city's many cultural offerings, from its renowned opera house to the vibrant streets of the Mission District, invite revelers to continue their celebrations, exploring the rich tapestry of San Francisco's community life. On this night, the whole city comes together, reflecting the innovative spirit and forward-looking philosophy that defines San Francisco. Whether you seek the comfort of a quiet bistro or the exhilaration of a street party, the Embarcadero is a gathering place for everyone wishing to usher in the new year in style. Each of these destinations offers a unique perspective on the vast mosaic of New Year celebrations across the United States. From the historic echoes of Times Square to the up-and-coming festivities of San Francisco's waterfront, these iconic locations do not just host parties, they create experiences. As the final seconds of the year tick away, these cities illuminate not only the skies but also the possibilities of new beginnings. Welcome New Year in these spectacular American settings, and may your celebrations be as bright and promising as the fireworks that herald their start.